Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to another Friday with Penny Black. I will be making a card with white background and very delicate elements, and I'm starting with white paper and I'm going to add stitches around with Penny Black dye, and then I'm going to add some texture to it. I have used white card which already it's got like a linen texture. It's very delicate, but it's not plain white card. Excuse my voice, I'm still not super well, but hopefully in few days I'll be fine. And also I want to excuse the lightning. It will be really yellow in some moments of the video, as it was really bright and sunny day and I had to put my curtains down. That's why the color will not be how it should, but at the end of the video will be good again. So as you can see, I have die cut some elements. These are Penny Black dyes, and I will list all the products used below the video, and I'm adding some colors to them just gently. I have chosen light purple, light brown and green, and also I'm using now Penny Black stamp to add some more texture to my elements. I really like the card, and I think in the future I will make another one similar, because I think it looks great, just white background and many elements. So I will be building my composition now. I'm starting with the biggest tag. I added the twine to it, and I will stick it on using foam pads. Then I will stick on some doilies and the little tag again using the foam pads, and I will have a layered and texture interesting background for my flowers. You know me, and you know that I like to have many elements on my cards. I will leave you with some music on while building the composition, and I will say a few words at the end of the video. I'm going to finish my card with little sentiment saying hello, and also adding white gesso to highlight some elements. I hope you like the card and I hope you like the video. Please visit Penny Black blog for lots of lovely inspirations. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will be back to my YouTube channel. Have a lovely creative day. Take care. Bye bye.